Wow.
What's up, dude?
What's up? How's it going? What's up, guys? It's your boy. Damn, looking directly at it doesn't feel as bad as it did. How's it going, guys?
Oh, dude, how's your beard, dude? Looks like you
Dude.
kind of did a new thing.
Yeah, I
with
did a
it.
little something, y'all. I did a little something. Hi. Welcome.
You just snorted, dude. Well, yeah,
You okay there, buddy?
Let them know about your beard. What's up? What's going on, dude?
Hey, look at my beard. It's
It's
not
all
there.
nice and clean and
I put it up here so it could be over the microphone.
Oh,
show them that haircut, dude.
God damn, he's bald.
Just imagine.
What you doing still in boxes for?
What we got here? What is these? What is these? What color is this?
I like
What
boxes.
wrap is this?
This is the psychedelic version.
God damn.
Do you see it? Do you see the color change? Get in there, dude. Look at that. Look at them angles. Look at the angles. Da da da. That's alright. Oh, Drake. Oh, Drake. What a guy. What? But yeah, that's the psychedelic version. Let's take a little tour on what's in this cabinets, on the special tools.
This is MTV Cribs.
Dude,
Let's see it.
Let's go inside.
I got the keys. I got the keys. I got.
Let's see it.
Let's see it. Sitting on the toilet.
Oh
Let's see
no! Open it. Yeah. How do you do this?
it. Photosynthesis.
It's my first time
Photosynthesis.
owning an expensive toolbox. Open it.
Oh my God, he opened. He found the treasure from his treasure
What
map.
we got in the first bag?
We got the light, the snap-on light. Let's put this on here. Check this out, bro. My lightsaber.
Yeah.
Zoom.
Yeah.
Got that. Because, you know, we need that. Got an umbrella. Because, you know, we live in Washington State.
It be wet.
Wet.
It be wet. Little ting.
Got my hubcap for my wheel that's missing.
We got the one.
Let them know where it goes. Place
It goes
over
over there.
It goes over there.
Over
there.
there.
Right there.
Just so you know, that's real carbon fiber.
Oh, back up. Look at all this room. Look at all this
Look.
goddamn room.
Look at I could
That's the one
live
there.
in there.
It's like a,
Yeah, I'm just saying. Look at the room.
it's like a zit on the thing already.
Look at that. You can play chess on there. Oh!
Oh,
We
got
some-
there.
We got some Altoids, you know, whenever you guys are going out playing in the playground.
We got some Ferrero. I can never really say these.
Ferrero.
Ferrero.
Ferrero Rocher.
No,
Ferrero
you
Rocher.
don't know anything. We have a towel.
Oh.
Just in case.
In case you get wet.
You eat too much.
We got.
Oh!
Yeah.
Damn!
Miguel found his favorite thing. What else is in there, my
I
friend?
take ones.
Take one.
I
The
take
Mexican
one.
first aid
Take one.
kit.
Yes.
Open that up. I want
So-
some of that.
Mexican first aid kit. Wow.
Wow, that was fascinating.
You want one?
No. No.
Take it.
No.
Alright, you
Take it, you dirt.
give some to our fans. The three guys.
You want one right?
Three guys.
You guys have-
Appreciate all three of y'all. Mm-hmm.
Oh!
God
Oh,
damn.
Now what is that? This guy.
Yo, blow your bag out.
God, yeah, it's just. What are you doing, the ocho ocho?
I got my rice.
You know you're Filipino when you have that in your toolbox.
Oh Oh yeah. Only if, son.
Huh, where you get this rice from so we can let all the viewers know?
Come at the thing.
Thing. What you got?
Ooh.
Ooh.
Some Gia.
Vaginas.
I think it says
See, dude,
bagel.
look, we got all the nutrients here, man. You got the carbohydrates.
Mm-hmm.
You got the protein. You got the protein. You got a little sugar, you know.
Protein.
You got a little relaxation.
Protein.
Mm.
Protein. It's just all protein.
Is that it on this?
That's it on this side.
This went from a toolbox review to a
Fucking.
food review. Oh shit.
Oh shit!
Oh,
you got one of my favorite
man.
cereals too.
You got the Apple Jacks featuring Clifford, the big ass red dog.
Just want to make a little side point. Shout out to the homie Mike. You know who you are, dog.
Cinema. Damn. Token?
You got some donuts.
What kind of donuts are those?
You got ooh.
Shit.
Ooh, I think that might be gone when we're done with the video.
Oh,
Oh,
shit.
what you got down
got-
there?
the pineapple juice.
Can I
You
have
know
some?
what pineapple juice is good for?
What's up? What's it good for?
Oh, y'all know what it's good for.
Stop pineapples.
it tastes good.
Stop pineapples.
For,
Bitch, pineapple.
for the tongue.
That looks good though.
Pineapple juice.
Mm-hmm.
We got some. What? Some ghost.
Even so, he's like, huh?
It's like, wait,
He's
what?
like, wait, what is this? It's like, aminos? Some amino acids?
Ghost amino acids.
Yeah, it's good for your
stuff
body.
that I don't use. I haven't used this stuff in a while. Look at
It's probably.
that. We got some warheads action going on.
Damn, do you have some warheads?
Stout to Christian UC. Some Christian Guzman.
Stop showing off random shit.
Got some C4.
What the?
You know what we're gonna do with all this? We gonna put in the blender. Nah, I'm just kidding.
Oh, imagine.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Yeah, we
Mixed
got
out.
the blender, too.
You forgot the
Oh,
entertainment.
We got our instruments in here
You forgot
too.
the entertainment.
Oh yeah, what kind of instrument is that?
Is that a guitar?
No, it's a ukulele. Now it's a guitar. Now it's a ukulele. Now it's a guitar. Outro song.
Like this. When it goes, ding,
Okay.
it's like, just go.
Okay. That could be like our little intro song. Dumbass. You want to see that?
You wanna see that?
Hmm?
Some
Miguel might
spicy
throw
stuff.
up.
Hmm.
You wanna do?